Hey guys, Bowser here. It's been a while, been a long while. Haven't been able to get out and make a video in over a month, I think. But the rivers are all in major flood level except the Missouri River, where I'm at. It's in moderate flood level. And anyway, the Mr. Lampton is at 3 miles. So I'm a little early here. But I'll give you me a minute to tell you what's going on here. The Mississippi River is shut down from St. Louis north. There's no traffic out here at all. The ferries are shut down and the roads are shut down. The Highway 100 there, the Great River Road, is all closed from Alton all the way up past Grafton. It's closed all the way up through Highway 16 up around right there, which is the highway coming out of Jerseyville to 100. It's open there into Hardin, and then it closes again north of Hardin. But it's all closed. These rivers, the Portage of Sioux, they're flooding. They're worried about the levee at West Alton break-in. It's Highway 94 shut down at West Alton. Highway 94 shut down. Highway B shut down. So it's hard to get close to the river. I might try to go there tomorrow and go through Alton and see where I can get to, but it's just hard to get anywhere right now. So Missouri is not doing too bad right now. It's at moderate flood stage, and it's cresting right now. The Mississippi won't crest till tomorrow or Monday. Right now it's Saturday, May the 4th. And yeah, we were worried about these rivers, and they are doing exactly what we thought they were capable of. So just hope the rain stops. We've been getting so damn much. If it stops, we're probably okay, but if it keeps going, we're not going to be so okay. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's a kind of a map of the St. Louis area here. Come on, it's lagging here. I got the too many apps running, I think. See all those purple dots headed up north here? That's the Mississippi as it goes all the way up into towards Iowa, up Quincy up here, all in major flood. So it's going to be in trouble for a while. This is the Mississippi River at Grafton. It is cresting tomorrow, Sunday the 5th, through Monday, looks like. And you see that blue line up above there? That's the level from 1993. What are we within? It was 38 feet. We're at 31.8. So we're within 7 feet of the record high river. I believe that was 1993. So we really don't need any more rain. If we get a lot more rain, we could be in real trouble. But yeah, I wanted to show you that when you see that record line come into view, it's getting a little too close for comfort. And like I said, the river's shut down at St. Louis. Mel Price is shut down, all that. No traffic going on the Mississippi River. So I just wanted to show you that.